Online ServSafe Manager Practice Test. Question 1. Standard operating procedures for cooking temperature for ground beef specify 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius, 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. Ground meats require 155 degrees Fahrenheit for 17 seconds. Question 2. In a HACCP plan, temperature to receive shell eggs might be 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 degrees Fahrenheit 7 degrees Celsius or lower. Shell eggs can be received at 45 degrees Fahrenheit air temp. Question 3. Which is a key component of safe temperature for ground turkey? 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit. All ground poultry must be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 4. Standard operating procedures for high acidity food specify lemons, meat, milk, melons. High acidity, low pH, inhibits most bacterial growth. Question 5. What is the requirement for foodborne illness outbreak definition? Everyone in the restaurant sick, 10 people sick, 1 person sick, 2 or more people with same symptoms. An outbreak involves 2+ people from the same food. Question 6. Why is Giardia duodenalis important in a kitchen? Parasite from feces, toxin, virus, bacteria. Giardia is a parasite spread via feces. Question 7. What defines the standard for maximum time for hot holding without temp control? 8 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours, 6 hours. Hot food can be held 4 hours if started at 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 8. The risk of illness from hepatitis A source is reduced by moldy bread, raw poultry, feces of infected people, ground beef. Hepatitis A is spread by the fecal-oral route. Question 9. The safest method for delivery rejection criteria is ice crystals on frozen food, correct label, intact packaging, cold temperature. Large ice crystals suggest time temperature abuse/thawing. Question 10. Which detail is essential for backflow prevention device? Vacuum breaker, water heater, filter, pump. Vacuum breakers prevent backsiphonage. Question 11. Effective management of safe temperature for duck requires 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Duck and wild game require 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 12. In a HACCP plan, FATM, T stands for might be, time and temperature, taste and texture, tension and travel, toxins and type. FATM, food, acidity, temperature, time, oxygen, moisture. Question 13. What is the main goal of high acidity food? Meat, melons, milk, lemons. High acidity, low pH, inhibits most bacterial growth. Question 14. Which detail is essential for pooled eggs rule? Store at room temp, cook immediately or store at 41, discard after 1 hour, freeze. Pooled eggs require special care and 41 degrees Fahrenheit storage. Question 15. Which is a key component of Cryptosporidium parvum? Virus, bacteria, parasite in water, fungi. This parasite is often found in contaminated water. Question 16. A violation of cooling food phase 2 standards occurs when 135 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit in 2 hours, 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in 2 hours, 135 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit in 2 hours, 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit in 4 hours. Phase 2 of cooling is 70 to 41 in 4 hours. Question 17. The correct way to measure biological hazard is broken glass, bacteria, staples, cleaning spray. Bacteria is a biological hazard. Question 18. How should a food handler manage HACCP? Principle 1. Monitor, conduct a hazard analysis, determine CCPs, establish limits. The first step of HACCP is hazard analysis. Question 19. The correct way to measure minimum temperature for fruits/veggies is 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Fruits, veggies, and grains for hot holding need 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 20. The primary concern with HACCP Principle 5 is verify, identify corrective actions, record, monitor. Step 5 is corrective actions.